Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Kia. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 13,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.